What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm about to take you guys on another home theater tour that the boys just wrapped up. If you aren't one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's go check it out. All right, guys, just got up here to the customer theater room, and I am gonna take you on a quick little tour around the room, let you know what equipment we're using, and then I'm gonna play you guys a demo. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is one of my most popular setups, extremely affordable, incredible performance. We're gonna be running at the front of the room, the Klipsch Pro-250 RPWs. This is the Pro Reference Premier line. 5 1/4 woofers, titanium dome, horn-loaded tweeter, crowd favorite, without a doubt. This guy's got treble and bass adjustments on it as well. Put the grill back on this guy. Oh, these are magnetic and they're paintable. So you guys can paint it to any color you want. And it can be laid vertically as well as horizontal. In this situation, customer has the equipment terminating at the front of the room anyways. So we are running the RP404C center speaker. Front right, we got that same Pro 250 RPW LCR. Rear of the room, we got the Pro 160 RPWs for our surrounds. And then overhead Atmos, we're running the Pro 160 RPCs. Killer combo. And don't forget about our sub. We got the SPL, and this is the 120. It's a hard-hitting little guy. I love it. And then for our processor, actually this is a receiver. It has amplification as well as processing built in. We're using the Denon 2600. This is the In Command series. When we do systems, we like to use products that have at least a 3-year warranty, because that kind of puts the customer at ease knowing that they're not going to have to deal with any maintenance for at least 3 years that they have to come out of pocket for. These are electronics and they can break, unfortunately. We're using a 1-button press touchscreen remote from Harmony. This is the Pro series. I really like this guy. It's nice and easy. Puts you in control of your own system. So we'll set it up for you if you use one of our installers to do the install. But after the fact, if you want to make changes, you just go to the free app that's included with the system, and you can change out devices, create new scenes. It also has the integration for lighting control as well as HVAC, blinds. It's only $400. I mean, you really can't beat it. We have higher end remotes that are more sophisticated, but this guy does the trick. You can see this is the charging cradle that it comes with. And right now the customer, we just have it set up on this stand for now. Most people are just moving in whenever we come to set it up. Okay, so that's the audio system and remote that we're using. We got a Sony 4K Blu-ray over there as well. Now let's talk about the screen combo. We got a 120-inch. This is the Zero Edge Pure Gray material. And the Pure Gray material, as well as the Pure White, are the same price. Pure Gray, it's a little bit better since the room is not painted. It's not gonna necessarily reject ambient light, but it's gonna help a little bit. And then up here, we have the nice, bright, affordable, one of my best sellers. This is the Epson 4050. And this 4050 is a crowd pleaser. I mean, it's E-shift, so it's not native 4K, but I mean, at the price point, you got a retail price of $2,399. You just can't beat it. It comes with the projector. It comes with a extra bulb. Bulbs are $300 and $299, and this one comes with a spare, so you're set up for at least 5 or 6 years. You get 5,000 hours out of each bulb. It also comes with a chief mount. If you look up here, this mount is included, and it's about a $250 value. So there's a model below it called the Epson 4010, and it doesn't come with the mount, the bulb, and also it only has a 2-year warranty. This has a 3-year warranty on it. And this one's black. The Epson 4010 is white. So I like to use this guy. It's a good unit, and it also has a back cable cover that makes it look really clean. You can see in this room, it was originally wired to go up there, but because of the throw distance to the screen, we had to use a cathedral mount, which is a little adapter that you can get for 58 bucks that allows it to be mounted on a slanted ceiling like that. That's about it, guys. Nice little 512. Got the cool zero edge screen up there. Not a whole lot to complain about. It sounds awesome. It looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and play a couple demos for you guys, audio and video, so that you can know the type of image quality that you can expect, as well as the audio performance out of a system like this. And I want you guys to tell me what you think. Drop some comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, so just went over all of the products that we installed in this room. This is an example of the grills off, and this is with the grills on. Now I'm going to show you the picture quality that you can expect with the LEDs off. You can see this is with all the lights on. Not bad at all. Again, this is an incredible value. I think we're at 22, 21 MSRP on the screen with the LED kit, and $23.99 on the projector. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off, and you're gonna see, because this is not an ALR screen, it's gonna really pop now. You're gonna get great contrast, a lot better brightness now that the light's off, because projection, it's all about getting the maximum light absorption into that screen. Look at that. In this price point, I don't think there's a better combo out there. SI, zero edge, pure gray. One thing I didn't mention earlier is this material supports 4K and 8K. So you can marry this screen and have it for at least 10 years. Now I want to talk about light scatter with you guys. The ALR screens that you see us use a lot cut back on light scatter. If you look at the walls in this room, see how it's all lit up? That's what we're referring to with light scatter, which is why a lot of people paint the room dark. You don't necessarily have to. You can see the picture's still really nice and vibrant, but light scatter basically is light reflecting back. This whole room's lit up. I mean, if you're sitting in here, it's bright. So light scatter is bouncing back onto the screen and reducing your image quality overall. So that's why everybody paints the room dark matte finish. Another thing that we recommend is acoustic treatments. This customer hasn't got around to it yet, which is very common. People focus on the AV gear, but if you want to improve the quality of the audio, you can also add acoustic treatments to the space. Gotta love drones, huh? All right, well that gives you guys an idea of the quality of the picture. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my quick overview of this awesome 5.1.2 Klipsch Pro Reference Premier system with the 120-inch Screen Innovations pure gray material and our Epson 4050. Don't forget about our Harmony system as well. Make sure to add that to your orders whenever you guys call in, because it's quality of life. You know, one button press starts the whole thing up. You don't have to educate grandma on how to use it when she comes over, or, you know, guests. They just pick it up, hit one button, it turns everything on, turns it all the right input. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give us a call, show your support, shoot us an email, and order your products from us. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. Really appreciate your support. It means the world to us, guys. If you did like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more videos. We got a load of different types of setups for you guys to help you make an educated buying decision on your new dream home theater. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.